What's up, insiders? In this video, we will discuss how to increase profits in your roofing business. I already made a video about most profitable business size. I'm going to put a link to that video below in description and a comment. And in this video, I want to discuss what can you do as a business owner if you feel like your profits are not where they're supposed to be, because net profit in your roofing business is the most important thing. I don't care how much you sell. I don't care what you're aiming for. Net profit, how much you keep, is the most important thing in business. Let's go. How you answer your phone calls, how you answer your social media inquiries or your website inquiries. People are reaching out to your business to get a quotes for their jobs. If you're not efficient, you're going to be wasting a lot of opportunities. This problem is really big within owners, operators. If you're only doing $1 or $2 million in sales, you're probably trying to keep it in the house, maybe answering it yourself. I explain it often to roofing school students that don't try to do it. Every time you with a client and your phone rings, I promise you, you will miss that opportunity, because if you're not returning that phone call within the first couple of minutes, your chance of not getting the job increases. I remember when I started in a business, one of the best things I did, I hired a receptionist and we were trying to capture every single phone call. It drives me crazy how many people still not answering their phone calls. Good receptionist, good answering service in your business will pay for itself, guaranteed, every single month. Most roofing businesses don't have a lead generation problem. They have receptionist problem. Fix it, because you're probably bleeding there. It's crazy to me how many tools we have in our toolbox. I'm a minimalist when it comes to subscriptions. You only need one CRM, one financial management company like QuickBooks. You need couple maps business related. Maybe you're buying maps to look where it hailed. Maybe you're buying few other services to manage your appointments. Please make sure that if you're paying for it, you're actually using the service. Stay away from companies who are not solving big problem, but it seems like they do. For example, companies who promise you to increase reviews per month. So let's say you pay $300 a month for a review generating platform like Guild Quality or Bird Eye, one of those. If you're only getting 1 or 2 reviews per month, you're literally paying $200-300 per review. Just analyze it. If you're not using it, it's gonna go. You need to realize that $300 a month, that's profit of $300. You literally will have to take $3,000 job per month just to pay for the subscription that you need. You're bleeding there. Review the subscriptions. If you're not using it, cancel it. Your price cannot be too high and it cannot be too low. If your price is too high, you're leaving money on the table. If you're selling 8-9 jobs out of 10, your price is too cheap. But if your closing rate is 20-30%, you're also wasting 70% of your opportunities. Aim for 50% closing rate. Try to improve it. Don't jack your price higher so you can't sell it, but also don't sell too cheap. I see both trends. Some companies are wasting money on marketing and they don't have enough work because they don't sell enough, and other companies, they don't have a lead generation problem, but they're not profitable because they are pretty much too cheap and they don't have enough net profit. So aim for 50% and try to always increase the price while your closing rate is not decreasing. In description below, I'll put a link to Limitless Roofing GPO group purchasing organization. They have their rebates with the SRS, but they don't like to talk a lot about it because there's other benefits to join. But I want you to work with your supplier. I want you to work with your manufacturer. This is the beginning of the year when we'll make this video. It's a perfect time to negotiate. You can get up to 5% in rebates between your manufacturer, your supplier, and maybe someone in between, like local store like Home Depot or Menards. Back in the day when I was in business, Menards were offering 11% rebate occasionally. I've remodeled my entire house because I took advantage of those rebates. You have to be on alert when they're happening, and think about this. If you're running $3 million roofing business, that means you're spending about $1 million on materials. And if you can get 5% in rebates, cash in your pocket, that's $50,000 that you don't have to pay taxes on. absolutely legal and you can take advantage of it. It's your personal gains. Buying in bulk is awesome. Back in the days when I was running my roofing business, we would buy 6-7 pallets of nails. Everybody was paying $25-30. I was paying $15. I would save on nails, I would save on ice and water barrier, I would save on synthetic felt papers. Each job in pure savings would save me $150 to $250. We were doing at least one job per day. So if you're saving $150 per job, 5 times a week, that's $750 per week. It's a couple $1,000s a month. It's pretty much pays for your warehouse. You have to be organized. You have to have someone who's going from your location to the job sites every day and bring couple materials from the warehouse. We would order shingles directly to the job sites, but it's not hard to get couple rolls of underlayment, 6-7 rolls of ice and water, because guess what? We're bringing our trailer. My project manager going there anyway. If you're already going there, if your trailer already going from the warehouse to the job sites, it's a great practice to meet your installers in the morning, meet your crew, make sure they have everything. But also, at the end of the job, it doesn't have to go to the store, it goes back to the shelf. So you have to stay organized, you have to have good inventory system, but overall, you will save thousands of dollars per week, per month, and it will add up, sometimes up to $100,000 a year just on buying small accessories in bulk. Build charisma, build your own brand, throw yourself on the internet. If you have good personal brand, you can get tons of jobs from social media, from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, because people will know who you are, and it'll be instant credibility when they see your ads. It will be instant authority when they see your website and will see what kind of persona you are. People who build amazing personal brands, by the way, for free, just your time, just your effort, just your creativity, also will spend much less than companies who just buying Google ads, who just buying Facebook ads, and who just have to throw money on a problem. Because you will need to be recognized, you will need more jobs, and if you're creative, you can save tens of thousands of dollars in marketing expenses. So work on a personal brand, be creative, it will only help you save and increase your profit margins. I built my company's first website by myself. I did almost $1 million with it in sales. Could I afford to hire someone? I probably could. But when you do it yourself first, let's say you try to figure out Facebook ads first, when you don't have money. Later, you can hire someone to do Facebook ads. But because you tried it first, maybe you will fail, but at least you're not paying agency, you're paying everything to Facebook. You can do the same with Google, you can do the same with pretty much everything. What I see a lot of business owners do, they're not willing to even try to understand, to educate themselves. They're throwing money at the problem. They think, okay, I'm gonna hire web guy and I'll pay him $5,000 a month and my phone will start ringing. I'm gonna pay this guy to manage my social media, manage my Facebook page. I'll pay him $2,500 a month and all of a sudden my phone will start ringing. It doesn't work like that. If you don't understand what it is that you're doing, people will take advantage of you. So before you hire someone, try to do it yourself and then hire people, and it'll be more like delegating it to them than just throwing money at them. So if you follow all 7 steps, if you're completely inefficient today and you don't use rebates, you don't buy in bulk, paying every marketer what they're asking you, if you're not doing what I teach you in this video, you can start doing it and your net profit margin on a couple $1 million a year can go from 5% to 12%. You literally will get couple points in each of the categories that I just showed you. Those are 7 major leaks in your business. Comment below what you guys think. If you need my help, I'm gonna put all my information below. I teach this kind of lessons in Roofing Business School. I would love to help as many people as possible. Give it a like if you like this lesson and you want more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.